Hello, everyone, and welcome to the IELTS Secrets podcast, where we delve into tips and strategies to help you ace your IELTS exam. I'm your host, Neil, an English instructor from New Zealand, here to guide you through today's topic, the bedroom. In today's episode, we'll explore 3 common speaking questions related to bedrooms and provide sample Band 9 responses to help you understand what examiners are looking for. Question number 1. Could you describe your bedroom in your house or apartment? When answering this question, it's essential to follow a structured template to ensure clarity and coherence in your response. Start by discussing the size of your bedroom, then move on to describe the furniture, and finally, share what you like most about it. Here is our structure. As far as the size of my bedroom is concerned, and then talk about the size of your bedroom. Next, as for the furniture, then describe the furniture that you have in your bedroom. Next, what I really like about my bedroom is, and here you should indicate the most distinguishing feature of your bedroom. Now let's listen to a great Band 9 speaking response.
Could you describe your bedroom in your house or apartment?
As far as the size of my bedroom is concerned, it's quite spacious and cozy. As for the furniture, I have a comfortable bed placed against the wall, a study desk by the window, and a wardrobe for my clothes and belongings. What I really like about my bedroom is the calming color scheme and the natural light that fills the room, creating a serene atmosphere perfect for relaxation.
All right, let's analyze question 2. How would you make your bedroom better? Similar to the first question, using a structured template is crucial here. Begin by stating what improvements you would make, followed by the expected outcome, and then mention additional enhancements you would appreciate. Here is our structure. If I were to improve my bedroom, I would probably focus on, and here talk about 2 or 3 changes that you would like to make. Next, as a result, show the result of your positive actions. Next, moreover, it would also be great if my bedroom, and then explain the second possible change that you would like to make to your bedroom. Now let's listen to a Band 9 speaking response.
How would you make your bedroom better?
Well, if I were to improve my bedroom, I would probably focus on adding some decorative elements like pictures or plants to make it more visually appealing. As a result, it would feel more inviting and personalized, enhancing my overall mood and comfort level. Moreover, it would also be great if my bedroom had better storage to keep things organized and clutter-free.
All right, now let's focus on question 3. Do you think it's a good idea to have a TV in a bedroom? Why? For this question, express your opinion clearly and provide 2 supporting points. Let's stick to our template for a well-structured response. I entirely agree that having a TV in the bedroom is a great idea. 1, and here you need to explain the first reason. 2, and then talk about the second reason. Now let's listen to a Band 9 speaking response.
Do you think it's a good idea to have a TV in a bedroom?
I entirely agree that having a TV in a bedroom is a great idea. One reason is that it offers entertainment and relaxation, allowing me to unwind after a long day by watching my favorite shows or movies. 2, having a TV in the bedroom provides convenience, especially on lazy weekends when I prefer to stay in bed and catch up on news or binge watch a series.
Remember, dear IELTS candidates, mastering the speaking section is about more than just vocabulary and grammar. Utilizing structured templates like the ones discussed today can significantly improve the coherence and fluency of your responses, ultimately maximizing your score. If you want personalized feedback on your speaking responses, don't hesitate to send them to our website, where our experienced IELTS instructors will provide detailed evaluations and professional advice to help you succeed. That's all for today's episode. Join us next time for more valuable insights into mastering the IELTS exam. Until then, keep practicing and stay confident. Goodbye for now.